This is what we're here for.
Later, dude.
There we go. Secret lake. It's a monster. Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Try It Outdoors. It is day 3 of bass opening day. Today is Memorial Day. We are going to be throwing some surface early morning here and then moving to some bass jigs later on tonight. Going to be going for these bass again. Let's do it.
We are on the boards for the back of the boat.
There you go. Good start so far. We're getting them right
started
away.
Here. Sponsored by Brian Krogman's Lures. Recording done.
Get him. Smallmouth?
There's another guy. Little bass this morning, nothing big yet. But we're still going at him.
There you go.
And the gold
Spinnerbait. There we go.
That's what I like to see.
It's money. Little guy.
He's getting him on the popper. There he is.
Bass.
Here we go. Third one on the popper for the morning. Great start for the back of the boat here. Popper is still working.
Huh? Good. There you go.
Number 4 on the popper. Let's go.
Small too.
Yeah! Oh, you love it. I love Texas rig fishing. Anything here. You just know he's on there and you just whap, set that hook back. He choked this thing good. He hit it right as soon as it was in the water. We're onto him here.
Oh, the old spinner. He's always got to know about one. I don't know what you gotta do to catch a fish around here.
Yeah, I don't got a picture of him. Not far.
Let me see what you got there, Pete.
There you go. And the old spinner is still going. Starting to wonder if I need to go to the popper, but we're still catching them. All right. Oh, Jared's got a big fish. Big fish. Okay, get that.
Oh shoot, he broke my line.
That's not here.
Dang
You
it.
guys gotta use the net.
No.
Dang it.
We could have just had 2 monsters there. That was a big one.
That was a big.
That one, Jared just missed a giant, but that's okay. We're hot on the trail here. Front of the boat's making a comeback. Good little bass. Later, dude.
Bring him in. Don't lose him, Steve.
There you go. Jared makes it happen.
Wacky rig.
Finally.
I'm telling you. First cast with the wacky rig.
Right
This is
away.
what I get. Yeah.
That's a
I
good
thought
sign
it was
right
a
there.
weed because I didn't even reel it at all and it just nailed it. It's awesome. Let's get another one. Oh, my drag is pretty on this wearmouth. Got a weed too, yeah. No.
Wacky rig?
Yep, wacky rig. Second one on the wacky rig. I felt a couple taps and then felt him start to pull on it, so I set the hook and here he is. Pretty good fish. Not too big, but really pretty.
Yeah, we gotta be
Nice looking fish, dude.
Catch him.
Yeah. I'm loving that wacky rig. Here we go. Now I'm in there. He's down in the weeds.
Good fish.
Number 3. Hammering them with this wacky rig. I cast last one, got one. Cast one right here, got one.
That's a good one.
Dad, get him in.
Nice, Dad.
That's a good fish.
Big fish. That's good. Bring him in. Bring him in.
Get him, Dad.
There we go.
Whoa! Finally!
There we go.
That's Uncle B special. About time.
Got the double.
Oh yeah. Here.
Yours is a little bit bigger, but.
All right, we got 2 fish on. Jared's got one right at the boat. Uncle B's got one right at the boat.
Oh, he's not bad.
What you like to
He's
see?
dark.
Yeah, good little fish there, Jared. Uncle B, what you got?
There we go.
Nice.
Another nice bass.
Fish, Dad.
Slide roll.
Senko. Double up.
I got mine on the Texas rig Senko. Just cast it out there into the weeds and a couple tugs.
Right in here. I mean, not quite my 6-pounder, but
There's a fish.
that's a good fish. There you go. I told you, Steve. There we go. There we go. Nice bass. Fishing through the weeds. Fun times. Let's get a spinner here. Let's getting it done. Yeah, 19.
Man is still getting top water on it.
There we go. It's a good bass. Thought they were done on the popper. The sun's all the way up now. But I've proven myself wrong.
And so that was the end of the morning for bass fishing, but my dad and 2 other cousins decided to go steelhead fishing along the shoreline there. I didn't go because I had work in the morning early and I needed to get a little rest, but I actually left the camera on the boat and my cousins sort of started talking to it and I got a good kick out of it. I think you guys will too. Day 39. As you can see, we're out here. No food. Woohoo! No water. Nothing but the fish we catch, which has been nothing.
Hey, you got any more of those martinis?
Day 39. Captain's log. We're just hoping to catch a break. We're lost out here. We don't really know where we're going. Keep it heading that way.
Here we are on the SS Superstar. We're out here for calm sea here. As you can see, we haven't had too much action today. Our captain has decided to take a nap, and the rest of us are just working away as usual. But we're setting course for the shore, and I'm sure we'll be into them in no time.
But yeah, guys, that's going to be all for this week's episode of Try It Outdoors. Before you click off, you guys are going to want to subscribe. I caught a once-in-a-lifetime fish, and in his next video. You guys are not going to want to miss it. So definitely stay tuned for that. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this whole series here of Bass Opening Day. If you haven't seen all the videos in the playlist is linked right here. Check it out, you guys. We caught a lot of nice fish, actually bigger fish than we did today, just not as many. But it was a really fun trip, and yeah. Stay tuned for more, and peace out.